everyone, welcome back. So today I've got haul video number 4 for you, and it's a bunch of products that I ordered from First Aid Beauty, one of my favorite skincare companies. And if you've been enjoying this video series, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now, let's get started. I'm going to show you the products one by one and just tell you a little bit of how I use them. So this is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and it is an all-over exfoliating body scrub that has 10% AHAs in it. It's safe for sensitive skin, which I can personally attest to because I have sensitive skin and eczema. Of course, skincare products are extremely personal, and what works for one person is not necessarily going to work for the other, even if they both have sensitive skin and eczema. However, all of these products work really well for me, so that's why I am sharing them with you, just in case it helps you as well. So the way I like to personally use this product is as an all-over body exfoliator. It helps with KP, keratosis pilaris. It also helps with body acne, in my personal experience, even though it's not something that's advertised as such. It also helps general exfoliation as far as helping your skin be nice and smooth. And I also like to follow it up with the KP Smoothing Body Lotion right here. Also has 10% AHA. I don't always use them at the same time. Actually, I probably alternate when I use them, because I don't want to use too many active ingredients, because then that can irritate my skin since it is sensitive and I do have eczema. So I'll alternate which products I'm using from week to week. Now, I do want to point out that this particularly works well on any parts of your body that are really dry and kind of flaky, or maybe a little bit cracked, but not like bleeding cracked, like elbows and knees. This has helped really to soften those areas, and every now and then my feet as well, because I walk around barefoot. I live in Florida. So, next product is the Ingrown hair pads. This has BHA and AHA in it, and it's like an upgraded version of those Clearasil pads that we used to use when we were much younger. But I always have issues with ingrown hairs when I shave because of the fact that, you know, that's just what happens. You shave the hair away and it becomes ingrown sometimes. But especially in like the crevices, like where the bottom of that booty cheek meets the top of the thigh. That's like the most difficult spot for me that I'm always like having issues in. So it's like a constant battle for me. And this is one of the products that I use to help in that area. I have also used the facial Radiance pads before. I haven't used this in any other way besides for ingrown hairs. I also will use it in areas where I get body acne. So not anywhere near your sensitive areas, but places that I get body acne, I've found that this product works really well on as well. Now, these are 2 new products that I haven't used before, but because they had such an amazing Black Friday sale, I wanted to try them. This is the 10% brightening cream, brightening serum, sorry, not cream, 10% vitamin C brightening serum, and I'm very excited to try that. This, I had a deluxe sample, and it felt really amazing on my skin, so I wanted to buy the full product to see if, with continued use, how it performed for me. This is the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. And I'm someone who is prone to hyperpigmentation. If you can't tell, I've got a ton of freckles. I mean, I'm not expecting this to remove my freckles, obviously. But what I'm talking about, what dark spots and hyperpigmentation, are when I have any acne marks, uh, other types of blemishes that, or honestly, even if I like just scratch myself somewhere and after it heals, then there'll be a dark spot or some hyperpigmentation. So I'm curious to see how this works in the long run. It felt amazing in the deluxe sample that I tried, which was enough for 2 days. So just enough to learn that I would not have an allergic reaction to it, basically. Now, the next products that I have are all of the samples that I received because it was Black Friday and I spent a certain amount. So, lots of fun little samples. Ooh, let's put these back in their box. Now, the first thing I got is this makeup skincare travel bag. Fab First Aid Beauty. Make every day a fab skin day. Isn't that cute? And it's very smooth. This is not like one of those rough glitter. This is like embedded into the product, so it's smooth. It's not going to come off. It feels very nice. So, samples. I got the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, which I have a full size of. I've been using this for years, but I got the travel size as one of my samples that I chose so that I could put it in my travel kit. I also got a travel of the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, another product that I've been using for years and love, but wanted the travel size for travel. Same thing with this product, the Hydrating Eye Cream. Love it. Got this tiny little deluxe sample to put in my travel pouch. And then this is a new sample. I always like to get a new sample of something if I haven't tried anything before so that I can see if I'm going to be allergic to it or if I'm going to enjoy it, if it's going to aggravate my sensitive skin or my eczema. And getting, the small version is much better, especially since it's free sample. So this is the Bounce Boosting Serum with collagen and peptides. So I'm guessing it's going to be kind of like, an anti-aging type of serum to help with smoothing out your skin and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But hopefully it'll work well and I'll be able to add it, since it's small, into my travel size section. So there you have it. Those are all of the skincare products that I ordered from First Aid Beauty on this haul. I am very excited to try the new things, especially, which were the vitamin C serum and the dark spot niacinamide serum. I wanted to try their retinol serum as well, but I didn't want to purchase too many serums at once and not be able to use them before they would expire. So the next time they have like a friends and family sale and I'm out of one of these two serums, I'll try the retinol serum. That way I can like rotate everything through. And let me just point out, all of these are active ingredient serums, the niacinamide, the vitamin C, the retinol. I don't use those every single day because it doesn't work well for my skin and the way it behaves. I'll get irritated if I use them every single day. So I also use the hydrating serum from First Aid Beauty. Let me go get that off my vanity real quick. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the hydrating serum that I use with hyaluronic acid. So anytime I use any of these serums that have an active, I'll use one of those, and then for like the next 2 or 3 days I'll use this, and that's kind of my skin cycling type of thing that I do. But this is a haul video, not just a skincare routine video. If you would like to hear about my skincare routine and how I maintain this that you see right here, let me know down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all the socials, and I hope to hear from you soon. I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Don't forget to drink some water and eat some fruit. Love you all. Have a great one.